the SOG Terminus XR G10 D2 steel blade XR lock. Oh, that's not the Terminus. That's the Terminus XR. Very smooth G10. I think this is the smoothest G10 I have felt. I like that crimson color. Centered. Tip down or tip up, deep carry. I'm not sure if this is reversible. I imagine it is. I didn't really read any instructions for it, but I mean, I'm not going to swap it. XR lock, dual thumb studs, flipper tab. Very nice deployment. No blade play. Feels very good in hand. No lanyard hole. A mild or a medium jimping on the blade. No real sharp edges. None at all for the, they're not sharp. I can feel them, but they're not sharp. This G10 though is really impressive. I'm going to call it a classic SOG blade style. See, it just sucks it in. Yeah, this knife surprised me. This is a very pleasant knife. So, yeah, this knife is very, very nice. Oops. So if you want to access style lock knife, I highly recommend this one. This one is in D2. I love they put the name and the steel on the blade. So I probably will not be using this in my everyday carry test videos because I already know D2 will last. So sorry D2, those videos are 8CR13 and below. So here you go. The SOG Terminus XR. Did I say that right? Sure.